we know that whenever we have to talk about an action that we did in the past, when we have to ask a question related to the past, we will ask those questions using did, particularly a yes or no question. So if I have to ask someone about their meeting that they attended yesterday, then I will ask, did you attend the meeting yesterday? So that's a yes or no question that I framed using did. And I'm particularly asking about yesterday. Hence, I used did there. Right? So remember, when you're using did, you cannot use the past tense of the action verb. We cannot say, did you attended? We cannot ask, did you went? We will always be using the singular base verb along with did, do, or does. Whatever it is, we'll always be using singular base verb. That is attend, go, come, plan, sit. All these are singular base verbs. So did you attend the meeting yesterday? Sorry, I missed your call. Did you call me? So that's also a question that you're asking related to the past. As parents, when you go to the school to meet your child's teachers, you would ask a lot of questions about your child to the teacher. So what can you ask? You may ask your teacher that, does my son study well? Does my son is like saying he. So does he study well? Or you may also ask, does he concentrate in the class? Does he talk a lot? You may have a lot of questions to ask the teacher, no? When you go to the parent-teachers meeting. So you can ask these questions. Does he disturb you? Does he talk a lot? Does he concentrate in the class? So all these are questions that you're asking to the teacher about your son or daughter. And these are actions, these are questions related to their habits that you're asking. Hence, you framed the question using does. We also have didn't, don't, and doesn't. Where we use did, do, does to ask yes or no questions, we use didn't, don't, and doesn't to frame negative sentences. Now, if you have to talk about something that you didn't do, that you failed to do in the past, then you will be using didn't there. For example, you had to attend a meeting yesterday, but you could not. Then you will tell that, sorry, I didn't attend the meeting yesterday. You may also have certain habits, or you may have certain things that you don't follow. Like you have the habit of drinking tea, you may also have the habit of not drinking cold water. So how will you say that? I don't drink cold water. Now I would like each one of you to come up with one sentence using don't, which you would like to define for yourself. If you have to talk about one negative habit that you have, or if there is one habit that you don't follow, then what is that? So you will be using don't and thus framing the sentence. So what would that be? Madhu, you're on mute.
I don't eat heavy food at night.
All right. Yes. Don't eat heavy food at night. Sujata aunty?
I don't go outside in this pandemic situation.
Perfect. So this is the way we would be using didn't, don't, and doesn't to frame the negative sentences. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
All right.